Hi internet, I'm looking at the monitor. Like, I'm turning into a real YouTuber now. Hi internet, it's your girl, Natalie. So, stop staring at yourself. So, am I on crack? So there's this trend, am I stupid? So 2018 was the year of full face using blank. I'm extremely late to that party. In the world of like non-high-end makeup, I've seen like Wish, I've seen Dollar Store, I've seen Claire's, like drugstore, but I haven't seen Aliexpress. No. I'm not saying that I'm like inventing this. I'm sure someone else has done an Aliexpress full face makeup video, but I am the queen of Aliexpress. This shirt is from Aliexpress. No, it's not from I Am Coco LA because fuck that, that's expensive. This was like $12. I thought it would be interesting to try and do a full face of Aliexpress makeup because it gets so much like flack for being like, there's rat shit in here, or like it's toxic, or it's like ripping off, whatever. Listen, I'm cheap. So, I should have been more organized. I have a ton of makeup from Aliexpress. These I've all bought before, like already. Same with this. Sorry, I'm not myself without hoops, so we're back with hoops. Not including these palettes, which I already had, it cost me $100 for all of this. It seems like a lot, but it's not a lot because like $100 gets you like 2 things at Sephora. So, I'll try to link everything below, but we're gonna jump right in. This is the Unicorn Essence. So the real one looks like this. The fake one looks, it's sparkly. It's like the same, just like paler. This smells good. It feels the same too. Kind of like moisturizing, but like a little tacky. Packaging looks the same. Tight. Okay. Yo, that one, tight. That's sick. Oh my god. This is very good. This is like impressive, honestly. I should give prices of everything. This was $3.73 and I paid $7.45 after shipping. $3.80 and I paid $8.75 after shipping. So, should I zoom in? Is that like a beauty guru thing to zoom in? I'm going in with this just because it's like an all over brush, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna go in with this hideous color. This. Oh. It's literally the shade of my skin. So I think we're gonna go for a sunset maybe, because that's all I know how to do. I look dead inside. This, which is similar to what I just used, but a little different. And yes, I use the same brushes for stuff more than once because I'm not a beauty guru. I'm gonna go in with yellow. Okay, this brush sucks. Pigmented. So pigmented. So how's everyone's life going? Oh. Okay. Oh, now that we look like a train wreck. This camera's so HD, can you see all my pores? Probably. So you can see them from a mile away. Okay. Good enough. I'm gonna go in with the shitty shade up here. Oh, you know what? That looks very nice. That's very nice. I like that. I don't understand this brush. This brush eats ass. I hate this brush. I hate this brush so much. Oh my god. These brushes aren't bad. I just don't know what I'm doing. So. I look like I have pink eye. You know, the best part about this is that I have such an expensive camera to film on now, and I'm still gonna be editing this on fucking iMovie. So, now going in with the red in the middle. Just on the... Holy fuck. Like, this is pigmented, bitch. And now I'm just like kind of blending it together so it's not such harsh edges. Why am I explaining what I'm doing? Like I know what I'm doing or something. Like as if anyone's fucking following along. Rustic red just in the very corners just to like, I don't know. Red would be too much for this, I think. I don't know. Do I know anything? No. I'm thinking gold. Anyway, I think I might mix in some of the red with it. Also, this brush sucks. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of the red on top of that. That didn't do anything. Is that, like, does that look good? I don't fucking know. That's the eyes. Foundation. So, few things to say. I need to stop staring at myself. This was $5.57. After shipping was $8.30. So I also bought this when I was tanned, like fake tanned. I got, so it's supposed to be this dark. As an Aliexpress professional, I know that you have to read reviews before you buy stuff. All the reviews said it ran light. Yeah, it's that ain't it, sis. So this might actually match me. It might be too dark. We're our hopes aren't high. So here we're just gonna. Can we please? Excuse me. Hello. 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 Oh. Is it broken? I'm confused. She's thick. Do you see this? Okay. Yeah. So, oh my god. This is also like too neutral for me. We're just gonna. Oh my god, does it actually match me? No, it doesn't. Whatever. She is, yeah. You can't see in the camera, but I feel like such a fucking head-ass YouTuber. It's not showing up on camera, but like in person, but for real. Like it's orange. We're gonna use Shape Tape. So the Shape Tape was $5.09 and there was no fast shipping, so I just paid regular shipping price. Looks like it's gonna be too dark. Oh sis, this is dark. She's dark. She's fucking dark. Cover up all my fucking ziddity doodah because just like Kendall Jenner, I am not afraid to share my story about my struggle with acne. She's so brave. Okay, you know what? This is very good. I can't lie, this is good. The color actually of this one is actually pretty spot on. Like it doesn't run light or anything. This definitely is a medium. They didn't have medium sand, so I couldn't get medium sand, but I will say it is good. It's like a little more dewy than Shape Tape, because Shape Tape is matte as fuck. It's good for me. I don't know. This is my fucking video, okay? Eat my ass. We got a contour, so we're gonna go in with this. Okay, this brush eats ass. I hate cream contour. I can't do cream contour. Out of my way, bitch. I can't believe this was my contour of choice back in fucking 2016. And I got Tinder matches in 2016 and I don't get Tinder matches now. So apparently bad cream contour is the reason why I'm single. So again, this palette is too orange for, oh no. It's too orange for me. So that's cool. Oh my god. Oh, honey. Try not to get your shit together. I don't know how to nose contour, so I'm just gonna get that out of the fucking way right now. Okay, so don't come for me. I don't know how to nose contour with powder, so why would I know how to nose contour with cream? Sis, my nose looks like it broke. Like I look like I got punched in the nose and broke it and it's crooked now. Love that for me. Go in with the yep. We're gonna highlight places that you're supposed to highlight like a fucking beauty guru. Oh, I think I'm saving myself. So now we're going in with powder. This is gonna be a disaster. I've used RCMA before. I hate it. I got RCMA because someone told me it doesn't flash back, and I don't know why I believe them because it's literally white. So, but it's just too drying for me. But that might be good because this makeup is all looks like fucking grease paint. So this was $4.06 and I paid $9.06 after shipping. This was $8.93. So most things on Aliexpress will have free shipping too. I just always pay for fast shipping because I don't want to wait 2 months for it. So yeah. When you pay fast shipping, you wait about 2 weeks. To Canada, anyway. I don't fucking know about anywhere else. We're zooming in. Hello. Perfect. Just a fucking chunk of cocaine. I love that. Get that double chin, sis. Get that double chin, sis. I look like Halsey on that yacht last year. Hee. Oh, I feel crusty. This ain't it. This powder ain't it. Since I feel disgusting and crusty, I'm breaking my rules and using Fix Plus because I can't stand the feeling of this on my skin. It feels gross and I hate it. So I think it's cute that it comes in this. Get out. Okay, it was cute that it came in this, but now it won't fucking open, so it's not cute. If this could fucking get out, that would be adorable. That would just be adorbs. This was $142 with shipping $531. So it's just a tiny, the brush hairs are like stiff, like the actual whatever it is, so that's nice. And then dip brow. So my dip brow was $7.83 and I didn't pay shipping, so. This is real medium brown. This is their medium brown. Their medium brown is like a taupe. So love that for me. It's very greasy, I want to say. This brush sucks. This is not narrow enough. It's not it's a terrible brush, but it's like the equivalent of using a NYX eyebrow brush compared to an Anastasia brow brush. So it's like it's a brow brush. It works, but it doesn't, it's not up to par. I mean, this color's not terrible. It's just definitely not what I wanted. I feel like that's as good as we're gonna get. So I got this, I'm pretty sure is a knockoff of the Orgasm blush. It's definitely a knockoff of, oh sis, that's dark. You can't really tell. Can you see that? It's all follow. Bitch! Did that do anything? I'm just gonna look sunburned. Oh my god, I look sunburned. I look like a fucking doll. This is going in the trash for sure. Okay, anyway. So that shit blush was $4.83 and $9.83 after shipping. That was so worth it. Blinded by the Light highlighter in the little heart, just like the, is it Too Faced? Too Faced did it. This highlighter was $6.27 and $8.98 after shipping. And then this little brush, fuck off. This little brush that I got is 91 cents and it was $5.06 after shipping. Oh, sis, do you see that? That's way too dark for my skin, but that's, she shows up, that's for sure. This brush is nice, I like it. The blush, I swear to Christ, like I cannot, can I take it off? Is that an option? Like, so the moral of the story is this eats ass, so we're not gonna deal with that anymore. Ooh, smoke it out, sis. Yes, bitch. Yes, bitch. Yes, bitch. Yes, bitch. Okay. That tied it together. We stand. Too Faced Better Than Love mascara was $6 even, plus shipping was $9.86. Real one, fake one. They look the same. The top is the Aliexpress, the bottom is the real one, so obviously it's thicker and I don't know what to tell you. You know what? It's not bad. It's not great, but it's not bad either. If I wake up with pink eye, then they'll be hearing from my lawyers that I don't have, so I put on fake lashes. I put on the Zaffle lashes instead. I know it looks like shit, but that's the best we're gonna do. All we really have left now is lipstick. So this lipstick was $1.44. Okay, to be honest, this feels exactly like a real Kat Von D lipstick. It's pretty decent. So, and I did not buy setting spray because I don't want to keep this on my face. You know, this is actually pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. It's for a matte lipstick. I hate matte lipsticks, so like my opinion basically doesn't mean anything. But so this is the finished look. This is my makeup. This face cost me $100. So it would probably cost like $500 if I bought all these things from Sephora. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every 3 years and I put out amazing content like this, obviously. I'm not going anywhere and this makeup actually turned out nice. So. These lashes are terrible. Not to suck my own dick or anything, but I did a good job. Thanks for watching, bye!